everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday the 23rd of March 2020 and it's another day of self-isolation and social distancing. I'm currently in the middle of doing an Instagram takeover for the Uni of Nottingham. I'm literally just in between posts right now answering questions. My takeover is about how to work from home, how to cope with working online and how to cope with the change from like in-person teaching to online teaching. Also, I have ordered the Amazon Fire TV stick because basically I have a TV in my room here, but it's completely redundant because it's not connected to an aerial and I haven't got like Apple TV or anything to sort of connect anything to it. So I ordered an Amazon Fire TV stick so that I can watch Netflix and YouTube and BBC iPlayer and whatever on my TV during these self-isolation social distancing times. I actually am really enjoying this online teaching. Like, I can sit anywhere in my house, I can sit in my pyjamas, I can sit in my tracky bottoms and anywhere I want and do my seminar from the comfort of my own home. And I actually get just as much out of it. I'm not even lying. Like, I get just as much out of my online seminars as I do from the in-person ones. I really enjoy them, and I had a really good seminar this morning. It was for my 20th century plays module, which I adore that module, and we're currently studying Arcadia by Tom Stoppard if you're interested. Right, anyway, I'm just going to finish off this takeover and then I'm going to go outside and do some studying, and I'm very excited about it. So a few weeks ago, before all this madness happened, myself and my best friend Joe filmed a Q&A at Ocean with a load of drunk people talking about sustainability. Like, it's just gone up on Facebook now on the NSTV page. So if you're interested in that, I will leave the link in the description. It's a very funny video. And we basically asked people what they think about climate change and David Attenborough. Okay, so it's now around 5 PM and I'm going to go for a walk around the fields. So basically where I live, I'm pretty isolated anyway. I'm literally pretty much in the middle of nowhere. Well, not in the middle of nowhere, but I am. Like, where I live is basically just surrounded by fields. So obviously, I just want to clarify, I'm not going near any other person. I will be walking on my own. My hands will be in my pockets. 2 meters distance from any other individual, I promise. But I am going to go for a walk. Just because I need some exercise, man. My knees are just like seizing up.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with the house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you'll come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Baby, you could keep me happy, but you've been on the road. Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, cause in another world you'll come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Drive your windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. When I'm dreaming of you here for me. Out of sight, out of mind.
So it's now Tuesday the 24th of March, and last night, as you saw, Boris Johnson released a statement saying that the UK is now officially going into lockdown and it will be enforced by police and stuff. So basically the score now is that we are only allowed to leave the house if we're going grocery shopping, or we're allowed to go for one form of exercise a day, so running, one run, one walk. We're allowed to go for medicine, or if we're caring for a vulnerable person, on something else I can't remember. And it's really weird because although like last night I looked shocked, I'm not shocked because I knew it was coming. It's what I want to happen, because I know it's I know it's the best thing to happen, the thing that needs to happen, but I still feel shocked for some reason. I think it's just disbelief. I just can't believe this is all happening. It's so weird. It's so scary that this is even a thing, to be honest. I just, in terms of the economy and stuff, I just don't know how it's all gonna go down. But anyway, I'm not gonna dwell on it too much. I just wanted to document it, like, as to say this is where we're at. If you're watching this back, this is where we're at in terms of the coronavirus. We're now in the UK is now in full lockdown, which is obviously a good thing. It is a good thing. We are not going to dwell on the negative, because as I said before, these videos are all about staying positive and productive during self-isolation. So that is what we're doing. Got myself a coffee from downstairs, vanilla almond again, we love it. I've decided not to put on loads of makeup today because my skin is actually getting really bad. I don't want to put on no makeup because I still want to feel like I'm doing something on my day. So I've put a bit of concealer on my spots and stuff. Then I know a lot of people say it's not good to work from your bed, especially when you're working from home. But I'm extra tired today and I'm sick of sitting in my chair. So I'm currently in uni. This is what being in uni looks like now, everyone. And I am doing a workshop for my language and development module, which is basically all about how children develop language. We love to see it. And then I need to do the reading for this workshop, and then I'm going to do the weekly quiz that we have to do that counts towards my degree.
Light turns to dust, I'm down to nothing. I am no longer in control. Over my shoulder, I feel it get colder. I'm told that I should offer my soul.
So you might remember earlier I was saying about getting my Amazon Fire Stick. Well, today is Disney Plus Day, and Disney Plus has just sort of, well, it's not, I don't know if it's just come out, but basically everyone's talking about it, and I actually had a look, and oh my god, how many films? So you got Marvel, Star Wars, The Incredibles, Disney, National Geographic. I'm actually so excited. So when my Fire Stick comes, I'm definitely going to download this, because oh my god, I literally can't even believe how much stuff's on here.
All I want is love and last. All I want to ask, is it something wrong with me?
Look how sunny it is today. Look how happy my tree is. Look how happy my tree is. So speaking about Disney Plus and my Fire Stick, look what actually just came in the post. Oh, I'm so excited to set this up. Okay, I'm going to set this up and I'll let you know my thoughts. I'm very excited to get going with it, I'm not going to lie.
I feel my eyes roll back in time to see my life, and I can't change that.
Hello, so So I actually decided to put some makeup on in the end because I was just feeling a bit down in the dumps, pretty much. And I went to have a shower as well because my hair was being really greasy. My hair was really greasy. So it's now the end of the day and I've got myself an elderflower to chill out because I'm now editing this video and I'm hoping to have it out by tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you would like a notification every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram or Twitter, then my handle is @LMAHorton. Follow me on there for all the most up-to-date information on what is going on in my life. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!